If you don't register your line, what happens? Have you ever wondered? I'm going to tell you everything. And apparently you have a few more days. And if you live in Mexico, you'll know that at the beginning of the year, a new law came out where you're required to register your line in your name with the government. In this video, I'm going to explain really quickly everything you need to do when your deadline is, because you have a few more days, even though starting today, you should already be registered according to the government. And also how to register and what you can do. The official information from the government. Yes. The government, which we know are not experts at doing things right or how things should be done, but well, they've already said it. You had until June 30, 2026 to register your line, and if not, you were going to lose the service. And yes, if you don't register by today, you're going to lose your service. But let me explain when, how to recover it, and what you can do. And according to the official data, this is only for prepaid lines. If you have a postpaid plan, you don't have to do this because you're basically already registered. And according to the official data, 63 million lines have been linked, of which 40.2 million are prepaid and 22.8 million are postpaid. Honestly, I don't really believe it. I think it's much less, but well, we'll have to see to believe. And reading all the comments, you're always giving me your reasons, and I always tell you, look, you're all right. And if you go, but seriously, if you don't register, they're going to cut off your service. By the way, let me know what you're drinking while you're watching this video. I'm having an espresso, just like this video is going to be espresso and straight to the point. The thing is, the deadline is June 30th, and according to the government, it's to prevent extortion, prevent bank fraud, basically to prevent misuse of the lines and crimes. I mean, the idea itself isn't really bad. The problem is how they implemented it, and in the end, it's the government that's managing and handling everything through some private companies, but it's still the government, and that's what concerns people. I insist, you have the right not to register. I'm just telling you what's going to happen. Now, here are the dates when you could lose your number if you don't register. Attention, this is an official statement from the Telecommunications Regulatory Commission, and it says that if your phone number ends in 0, you have until August 15th. I'm not sure, say your cell number ends in 25 or 30. Well, it ends in 0, and you have until August 15th. Why? Because that's what the government says. I'm not saying it, that's what's happening. If your phone number ends in 1, you have until August 31st to register. If it ends in 2, you have until September 15th. And so on, up to the number 9, which is until December 31st, when you'll be able to register. Anyway, it's showing up on the screen. Why did they do it this way? If your number ends in 0, you weren't very lucky. Mine does. Still, I've already registered. Honestly, what could they steal from you? That's how I see it. An ordinary guy like me, what are they gonna steal from you? A lot of other companies already have your information. So, well, if it's about them using your identity, everything is encrypted. At least the serious and responsible companies have the information encrypted. And well, if your number ends in 9, you have until December 31st. You could say you got lucky. Now, how can you register your line? You just have to go to your phone company's portal. In fact, I have one where every top-up supports stray dogs. Dogs that are living on the street so they can get food, so they can heal, so they can recover. And this is Revo. This isn't an ad, but I just want to let you know, you don't have to sign up. You're not obligated to do it. But I'll show you how easy it is to link the line. You can link up to 10 under your name in case you have kids. If you have a business plan, you can do it too. And you can register many more lines under your company's name. And another question people have asked me is if I'm a foreigner. Well, you can also do it with some documents. What they're looking for is to link a line to a person to prevent crimes. At least that's what they tell us. And well, we have no choice but to trust what they're telling us. And at least on our side, the information is safe. Check it out. I'll show you how to register. This is our website, revo.com. There's good old Jimmy D. Let's put him to the test because he's part of this project. He's a partner in the project. Check out the plans we have. In fact, take this opportunity to switch to us. 70 GB for 399 pesos. Yes, gathers. Bring your line over to us. Take advantage because every top-up helps stray dogs. We're different from other companies. We are Revo. We are the revolution. Now it's as easy as going to the register your number section, and this is encrypted. In fact, we don't have the information. Our provider has it directly, and it has already gone through several tests. This information is totally encrypted. No one has access to it. And here you simply click continue. You choose how you want to link yourself. And that's how easy it is to link your line. period. Simple. You've registered in 20,000 other places before. In fact, these apps you use, the ones you think are free, have way more data than what they're asking for to activate your line. Now, if you don't want to register, that's fine. That's your right. What will happen? After your deadline, if you didn't upload your documents, 72 hours later, your line will be useless. And you'll only be able to call emergency numbers like 911. That's it. Obviously, your line will be useless, and as soon as you register, it will be activated right away. So the decision is yours. I'm just letting you know what's happening. And if you're already part of Revo, let me know in the comments. I always reply to all Revo users. Thank you for being part of this great and wonderful project. And if you're not part of Revo yet, help stray dogs with every top up. Also, pay a fair price for your data, and we give you unlimited calls to Mexico, Canada, and the United States. Anyway, all the information is already on the website. I'm making a quick, direct video to give you the facts, since many have questions and aren't getting honest answers. Any company saying you don't need to register is lying. I'm giving you the truth. If you don't like what I'm saying, at least appreciate my honesty. Many people aren't. Friends, I'm Andres Neshudo. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. I've been away because I was moving, but the set is ready again. See you in my next video. Big hug to everyone. Goodbye.